Well, howdy, everybody. Once again, we are coming to you from somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Today, in the middle of nowhere, I see something downrange. They're turkeys, but they're just about out of view, so I couldn't get to y'all quick enough to let y'all see. But wow, there's about 4 or 5 turkeys down there. Anyways, what are we gonna do today? We're not turkey hunting. We are hunting for some ammo for this rifle, and we are testing out a new bolt to see if we can clear up some of them light primer strikes. And this time we have got our pistol match out, and we have 2 different lots of it. We got the old and we got the new. The old pistol match did, man, that works good in the 597. And we had so-so results in this rifle. Our Keystone Cricket 722 PT that we picked up from J Delta 22. Thank you very much, sir. And wow, man, let's just get our ears in, and we're gonna get to shooting. We're gonna do I guess 4 or 5 shot groups of each. And of course, we're starting with the original SK pistol match. So let's see where we're at. We got our target down range. We're going to be using the second row down, as we've already got the top row full of rifle match. Let's chamber around and get to shooting. Oh, I lost it there. Alright, here goes, first round. So, anybody see where that went? I don't see that at all. Well, that should be highly unlikely. I'd throw a flyer like that. Wow. Huh. A magical disappearing bullet. Let's try that again. Right, there's one. I can't believe that first round would have just ended up in nowhere land. Or somewhere in the middle of nowhere, anyways. That makes it difficult on editing. Huh. Well, appears we got 2 different groups there. groups of 2. I don't know, man. I'm amazed that that first round was could not see. Wow. Let's move over to our next target. Gotta say, we have done the first rifle upgrade. And we got this nice little vertical grip from XLR Industries. It is a vertical grip. No wonder everybody uses them. That's way better. The original grip was kind of an A2 style. Alright, well, this group seems to be coming together just fine. A little high on that last one. Or maybe I see too high now, so no, that is not coming together very well. Huh. Alright. The good thing is that we don't appear to be having all of the light primer strikes that we were before this new bolt. And that's important. It's almost as important as finding an ammo that will shoot well in your rifle. I think that one was high. Maybe we're getting lucky. I can't tell. We'll have to check the footage on that to see what's really going on. But I like that last group. That was not bad. That's better than the rifle match by a long shot. was high. Well, that was high, but it appears to be the same hole. Just off to the left. I think we're within a half inch of each other. Oh, either we've got two of the three landed in the same hole down there, or we had some more disappearing bullets. So, wow. Maybe we like that. I can't tell. All right. Very good. Let's try our new batch. Let's see how we like this. I had such good luck with this pistol match in the 597 that when I started running out, man, I just got online. I was like, no, I need more of that now. So we're going to drop down a row and start on the left-hand side. If I can find my comfort zone here. All right, that was high and left. I saw that. So that's not disappearing. It just didn't appear on the target. That's a good sign. I don't know about these first round issues. Wow. if we can back that up. I like that. Light primer strike. Alright, well, it was a little high and right. But that was where the last group was landing. This one appears to be opening up a little bit. We're not going to get too upset about that. You see 3 holes. Maybe I only shot 3 rounds. Alright. Well, the last one wasn't all that good. Alright, let's get these other 2 mags ready to go. And we're just going to continue on that same row. 3rd target over. That one could have been on me. I don't think I was ready to pull that, but it doesn't seem to have mattered. Not too bad, but it's just a weird looking group. And the final group with our pistol match. High and center. sooner. Almost touching though. So. It's kind of weird how we're having a point of impact shift. But if it keeps grooving like that, I'm not going to care about a point of impact shift. Well, yeah, you do, because if I really zeroed for this and then it went cruising somewhere else right in the middle of a challenge, then that wouldn't be very helpful. But we like that. That's what we're in the search for. So let's do this. Let's just run 5 more and see what we think. Make sure that last one wasn't some kind of a fluke. All right, next target over. I got a moth. It's not a bee. Holy cow. Huh. How does that happen? Hmm. Well, besides that that first round, unless I'm missing something, that was a really good group again. Wow. All right. Well, let's go down there and take a closer look. Well, here's our target. And the second row is where we started with our original pistol match. And there's only 4 rounds here. And I remember thinking that something disappeared somewhere. So I have no idea where that went. I don't think it's this one. I think this one's from something else, but whatever, man. I mean, it started to come together as something. That is 1/2 of an inch for them 4 rounds. But then we came over to this next target and just kind of made a mess of things. And we just shy of an inch. This one, I'm a little confused. I see 1, 2, 3, and 4, but maybe there's a 5th one in there somewhere. And that would equal right at about 1/2 inch again. So man, this one with 3 rounds, I don't know, guys. We'll have to look at that in the footage. I'm not sure. There's only 3 holes there though, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So I think we were getting lucky and just putting them in the exact same hole. And we started with the new stuff. And I think that was our first round. And then we did that. I mean, that's just, wow. That's what you want to see every time. And then I don't know what the, I mean, that's not what you want to see. You don't want to see that in your group, but man, when it starts to come together, look at that. Well, that's basically a 1/4 inch group there. And here's 5 rounds. It looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's what I'm guessing anyways. And however, I mean, it's just barely under an inch. And then this one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That could have been a good group at 1/2 inch, but it wasn't. It's just barely under an inch again. And then we did this. And that is a good group. Once again, man, that's I guess that's 3/8 of an inch. And then this, I don't know what happened. I don't know if that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think it is though, so, but we'll have to look at the footage on that one. So, wow. All right. Seems that the pistol match may be more consistent than the rifle match, so y'all go check out the rifle match video. That one would have been up right before this one, so if you ain't seen that, go check it out. Anyways, guys, I didn't realize that we had spent this much time together today. If you made it this long, thank you very much. We love you. We hope y'all are having a blessed day. We'll see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.